Hello, Namaste. My name is Amit and I am from India. I live in India and from India we do hotel marketing in United States of America. I work on internet from last many years. We have developed many new innovative out of the box hotel digital marketing strategies and plannings. And recently we have developed a digital marketing special training program for hotels. My video is for you because you're looking for some best hotel digital marketing ways, ideas and strategies. We have very small laboratory and digital marketing office in India. We do hotel digital marketing in United States of America, all the cities. In case you are looking for a digital marketing services, planning and strategies, my number is down. Let us talk with each other. We have a great expertise into hotel online reputation management and revenue management. Today, in this video, I would like to highlight few things about how we are doing hotel digital marketing and how useful we are for you. First of all, we do audit of websites, hotel official websites. We do search engine optimization and optimize the website according to the search engines. I really do not know you are aware or not, but Google provide little more codings and schema for hotel business owners. So we will check your official website having official schema and indexing API, and if it's not, we will do and optimize your website as per the search engine. Like we will optimize your images, contents and ensure that your website speed is fast. The first thing. The second thing is that we will do remarketing of your OTA pages like booking.com, TripAdvisor, Expedia on search engine. It means whenever somebody is searching online, booking.com best hotel in your city name, your booking.com page should come on the first page. That is called OTA remarketing. And this formula applies same for TripAdvisor, Expedia and other OTA pages you tell us. The second service. The third service is hotel social media marketing. In that we create artworks like designs and creatives according to your taste and according to the category of your hotel. Like your hotel has a restaurant, banquet hall, conference rooms or any other. So we make that and we send to you for approval, and when you approve, we post on different social media platforms on your behalf. That is the third service we provide in terms of hotel digital marketing. The fourth service which we provide is unique and awesome, and that was YouTube and Google marketing. For Google, we have a special search engine optimization and search engine marketing strategies and services. We are also using RateTrigger and Google Hotel Ads. We have a great specialty about hotel internet marketing, and I always use internet as communication to the right audience. And due to this, you must be noticed that my video which I am making from India, it is ranking in your city in United States of America. So you can imagine how good we are into hotel, hospitality business, digital marketing. The second thing which I would like to share you, that if you have any doubt about our services, you stop this video and go to Google back and search for hotel marketing experts in the world. I am sure Google going to show you myself, but I am very much sure that there are a lot more experts and professionals than me in the world, but Google show me. It shows I have a great knowledge about search engine optimization and how to rank websites on the top pages on the Google. That is also our services for the hotels. Same thing, now we have realized after many years working and providing our services to hotels, we identify that the customers who want to book the hotel, first they want to go to YouTube and look the videos and then book hotels. So we are also providing YouTube marketing services for the hotels. In this video, maybe you find, because I am from India and we Indian people doesn't have very fluency of English, maybe you find my grammar is not right, but I would like to give you a guarantee that if you doesn't find any results from my service, I'm not going to charge you any fees. With this video, I'm requesting you, let us talk each other. We will definitely solve each other problems. I do not have so much my customer list, so I can share you the references, but yes, I have a great practical knowledge, and definitely with my knowledge I'm going to impress you. I'm going to show you a live demonstration how I rank videos and content on the first page on the Google. That I can guarantee you. Secondly, I have also started providing digital marketing training to hotel employees, because I have noticed that and I find that multiple hands and multiple mind strategies are always work, and for that you need have different peoples and different strategies and different type of structures and datas. Thank you very much and gratitude. You can find my phone number and contact address down. You can contact me and I love to talk to you. Let us talk each other. I'll share you my services about hotel digital marketing in United States of America. Our services available in all the cities, and I would like to sincerely thank to the YouTube, because due to YouTube I am reaching to you without visiting any time in United States of America. Thank you very much indeed, and my gratitude. Please take my gratitude and thank you and for watching this video. My name is Amit Gaur and we are hotel digital marketing team professionals from India. We do hotel revenue management, social media marketing, video marketing, search engine optimization, Google AdWords and Google Hotel Ads. And trust me, if you compare our price and service, you find we are always promising according to your expectation. That is a guarantee. Again, thank you and gratitude. I look forward talking to you very soon. Thank you. My phone numbers and details you will find down of this video. Namaste. Thank you.